Welcome to the in front of me REALME C31, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So just to do that, you should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and here you'll see the bell icon. Just click twice on the bell icon, and here you'll see the message that calls and notifications that will be muted, and that means that we just activated the silent mode on our device. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode, just click here once again on the bell icon, and here we'll see the notification and or the message that our calls and notifications they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.